Fans have been dreaming to see Emilia Clarke take over the role of Mera from Amber Heard in Aquaman 2. In today's video, we're going to discuss whether Amber Heard is going to act in Aquaman 2. Stay tuned to find out. Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom has been surrounded with a bit of controversy due to the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp trial. As the trial came to an end earlier this year by making headlines for the messy legal battle between the two stars, rumors started rising regarding the role that the trial might hold in Amber Heard's future. At one point, there were even rumors that Warner Bros. Had cut Heard's role and was looking to bring in a new actress to play the role of Mera for the follow-up to 2018's box office success. Among the actresses who appeared as a favorite to replace Amber Heard was Jason Momoa's former co-star, Emilia Clarke. Fans were eager to express interest in seeing Emilia take over the role of Mera. And thanks to an amazing new piece of fan art, fans now have the opportunity to see just what Emilia could look like should she take over the role from Amber Heard. Well, inspired by the ongoing desire from fans to see Emilia Clarke take over the role of Mera, a digital artist has debuted a jaw-dropping new piece of concept art that sees Emilia replacing Amber Heard as Mera. In the art piece, Clarke surprises everyone as Mera. She fits well in the iconic costume first introduced through Amber Heard in Aquaman. While the art is nothing more than an abstract preview of what Emilia could look like in the role of Mera, some fans are completely speechless. It's not difficult to see why so many fans are yelling for Clarke to take over the role of Mera while getting a look of what she could look like as the iconic DC Comics heroine. Now, there is a huge eagerness from fans to see Emilia Clarke take on the role of Mera for the upcoming Aquaman sequel. Warner Bros. Discovery has not declared any plans to recast the role, but executives have admitted to considering this as a new move. While testifying during the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial earlier this year, president of DC Films Walter Hamada revealed that there had been discussions about recasting the role due to a problem of chemistry between Heard and the movie's lead, Jason Momoa. Eventually, the decision was made not to recast Amber Heard for Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. There is always an opportunity for the character to be recast should any extra movies be greenlit. After all, there's a lot of change going on, but right now, Amber Heard has secured her spot. If you're liking this content so far, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's continue. Amber Heard might not have money to pay $10.35 million to Johnny Depp as ordered by the court, but she ended up being the most Googled celebrity this year with as many as 5.6 million monthly average searches. And despite all the boycott trends and petitions, she has retained a big role in Aquaman 2. Soon after Amber Heard lost the latest defamation trial to Depp, sources suggested that she would be deported from Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. Gossip Mill even revealed that she was missing from the shoot and Emilia Clarke will be replacing her. Reshoots were already in process, but it looks like those were nothing but just false rumors. It was also rumored that if Amber Heard goes on to be part of Aquaman 2, she will experience a huge reduction in her role. It was only decent to do as Johnny Depp lost Fantastic Beasts 3 despite filming it for a day soon after losing the UK trial in 2020. But Warner Bros. Has its own strategies, and it is far from giving an equal treatment to the actress. A test screening of Aquaman 2 was held. It was then disclosed that Mera is still in the movie and her scenes remain unchanged. This was a huge blow to all Johnny Depp fans who had signed petitions and demanded her boycott through record-breaking tweets on the microblogging platform. Johnny Depp fans were shocked when new reports disclosed that the involvement of his ex-wife Amber Heard in Aquaman 2 has not been cut short despite different claims. The screen time of the Rum Diaries star in the Jason Momoa starring movie has not been cut, despite a number of media reports revealing the opposite news. Even today, DC has said that Amber Heard's ongoing public battle with her popular ex-husband has no relevance to their decision to continue working with the actress. This has happened after the actress testified in court that she fought really hard to stay in the sequel after DC removed a bunch of things from her role. Well, the company has admitted that the actress's involvement in the upcoming Aquaman sequel may have been unnecessary after all, and that's mostly because they weren't sold on reuniting Momoa with Amber Heard on screen again. And while Warner Bros. Would have wanted to remove Mera from Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, it is said that Momoa and Wan blocked their action, which is why Amber is still present in the movie. With that being said, it is time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.